TCL Rayneo X2 is a remarkable pair of augmented reality AR glasses that blend high-tech features with everyday practicality. Imagine having binocular full-color micro-LED displays right in front of your eyes, offering a stunning 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio and brightness of up to 1,000 nits, perfect for clear visibility even on the sunniest days. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, these glasses are like having a mini computer on your face. They can translate conversations in real time, which is a game changer for travelers or anyone in a multilingual setting. The smart navigation system uses SLAM technology to provide precise, real-time directions, and gesture recognition lets you control the glasses with simple hand movements. But that's not all. The Rayneo X2 also acts as a smart assistant, handling your calls and messages, snapping photos and videos, and even playing your favorite tunes. Despite all these advanced features, they're designed to be lightweight and comfortable, so you can wear them all day without any hassle. The Airspeeder MK4 is an incredible leap into the future of motorsport, combining the thrill of racing with cutting-edge aviation technology. Imagine a flying car that can reach speeds of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds from a standstill. This isn't science fiction. It's the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Powered by a Thunderstrike hydrogen turbo generator, it offers a remarkable range of 300 kilometers, 188 miles. The MK4 features artificial intelligence gimbaled thrust technology, giving it the agility and handling of a Formula One car. Designed for maximum efficiency, it has a takeoff weight of just 950 kilograms and produces near zero emissions. The first crewed races are set to begin in 2024, marking the start of a new era in motorsport. With its sleek design and advanced capabilities, the Airspeeder MK4 is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in how we think about racing and transportation. The Totam planter is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to bring a touch of nature indoors without the hassle of traditional gardening. This modular, vertical indoor garden is designed to be both stylish and functional. It features a self-watering hydroponic system, which ensures your plants get the right amount of water without any soil mess. The Samsung horticultural LEDs provide the perfect light spectrum for plant growth during the day and switch to a soft, ambient light at night using minimal energy. You can customize your Totam planter with different modules to grow a variety of plants, from herbs and vegetables to flowers and succulents. The Totam app gives you full control over watering and lighting schedules and offers tips to help your plants thrive. Its compact design makes it perfect for any space, whether it's on your countertop or mounted on a wall. With the Totam planter, you can enjoy a lush, green environment all year round with minimal effort. The Voixach is a unique smartwatch that combines the functionality of a smartwatch with the convenience of a Bluetooth headset. Imagine having a smartwatch that not only tracks your fitness and notifications, but also lets you make calls directly from your wrist. The Voixach features a detachable Bluetooth headset embedded in its bezel, which you can easily twist off and use for calls. It's equipped with LTE and GPS, so you can stay connected even without your phone. The 1.3-inch AMOLED display ensures clear visuals, while the Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 technology provides excellent sound quality. Designed for versatility, the Voixach is also waterproof and comes with customizable bezels in 4 different colors to match your style. With its ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, it offers smooth performance for all its smart features. Plus, the 530 mAh battery ensures you have enough power for a full day of use, including up to 3 hours of talk time on the Bluetooth headset. The Ugot Robotic Kit is an innovative educational tool designed to make learning about artificial intelligence and robotics both fun and accessible. This versatile kit allows you to build over 7 different robots, thanks to its modular design and fast assembly features. Powered by a high-performance computing system that integrates a CPU, GPU, and NPU, it offers 1 TOPS of computing power, enabling advanced AI capabilities like gesture, posture, and speech recognition. The Ugot kit also supports visual tag recognition, pedestrian and motion tracking, and even integrates with ChatGPT for enhanced interactive experiences. It's compatible with open-source hardware like Microbit, Arduino, and Raspberry Pi, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. The 2,600 mAh battery ensures up to 2.5 hours of continuous use, and the included Python SDK allows for further customization and development. The EcoFlow Glacier is a versatile and innovative portable refrigerator that's perfect for any adventure. Imagine having a fridge, freezer, and ice maker all in one compact unit. With its dual-zone, dual-control feature, you can independently set temperatures for 2 compartments ranging from 50 degrees fresh fries to 9 to 13 degrees Fahrenheit. It's equipped with a powerful 120-watt compressor that can make 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. The Glacier also boasts the fastest cooling in the industry, chilling from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in around 15 minutes. Designed for portability, it includes a 298 watt-hour plug-in battery that provides up to 40 hours of wire-free cooling. The 38L capacity is perfect for storing everything from fresh produce to cold drinks, and the detachable wheels and lever make it easy to transport. Plus, with smart app control, you can adjust settings remotely via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking mixed reality headset that ushers in a new era of spatial computing. Imagine a device that seamlessly blends digital content with your physical surroundings, creating an immersive experience like never before. The Vision Pro features ultra-high-resolution displays with 23 million pixels across 2 screens, delivering stunning visuals that make digital content appear as if it's right in front of you. Powered by the Apple M2 and R1 chips, it ensures smooth and responsive performance for all your applications. One of its standout features is Vision OS, the world's first spatial operating system, which allows you to interact with digital content using your eyes, hands, and voice. Whether you're watching a movie, working on a project, or connecting with friends via FaceTime, the Vision Pro offers an infinite canvas for your apps, freeing them from the boundaries of traditional displays. It also includes spatial audio for an immersive sound experience and advanced sensors for precise tracking and interaction. Designed for comfort and usability, the Vision Pro is made from lightweight materials and features a modular design that can be customized to fit your needs. With its ability to transform any space into a personal theater, workspace, or social hub, the Apple Vision Pro is not just a headset. It's a revolutionary step forward in how we interact with technology. The EcoFlow Blade robotic lawn mower is a game changer for anyone tired of the hassle of mowing the lawn. This high-tech mower uses real-time kinematic RTK GPS technology to navigate your yard without the need for perimeter wires, making setup a breeze. It features X-Vision obstacle avoidance, combining visual sensors and LiDAR to intelligently dodge obstacles like lawn furniture and garden decorations. With a wide cutting width of over 10 inches and the ability to handle rough terrain and slopes up to 50%, the Blade ensures your lawn is perfectly trimmed in no time. The self-charging system means it returns to its docking station when the battery is low, and it can run for up to 240 minutes on a single charge. Plus, it's equipped with anti-theft technology and a rain sensor that sends it back to its charger during bad weather. The Blade is also easy to clean, thanks to its IPX5 water resistance rating. The Pesa H2 loco, specifically the SM42 6DN model, is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered shunting locomotive designed for efficiency and sustainability. Imagine a locomotive that runs on hydrogen, producing zero emissions while delivering powerful performance. This innovative machine is equipped with two 85-kilowatt Ballard hydrogen fuel cells, providing a total power output of 170 kilowatts. It features four asynchronous electric traction motors, each generating 180 kilowatts, allowing it to haul heavy loads with ease. The hydrogen is stored in tanks with a capacity of 175 kilograms, and a single refueling can support up to 24 hours of continuous operation. The locomotive also includes a 167.6 kilowatt-hours lithium titanate oxide LTO battery for energy storage, which is recharged through regenerative braking. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and advanced features like an autonomous driving system and anti-collision technology, the Pesa H2 loco is not just a step forward in rail transport, it's a leap into the future. The Apex Maker X1 is a powerhouse in the world of 3D printing, designed to bring your most detailed and ambitious projects to life. This industrial-grade 3D printer features a 16-inch 8K resolution monochrome LCD screen, offering an incredible 17680 by 4320 pixel resolution. With a build volume of 353 by 198 by 400 millimeters, it can handle large-scale prints with ease. The X1 is equipped with 46-micron precision, ensuring that even the smallest details are captured with stunning accuracy. It boasts a high-speed printing capability of up to 180 millimeters per hour, making it one of the fastest printers in its class. The Apex Maker X1 is also user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls, compatibility with popular slicing software like Lychee and Chitabox, and a factory pre-calibrated build platform for easy setup. It includes a built-in HD camera for remote monitoring, an integrated air purification system for a safe working environment, and a power loss recovery feature to ensure your prints are not interrupted. With its automatic resin feeding system and temperature-controlled resin tank, the X1 is designed for efficiency and reliability. The Anker Solix F3800 is a powerful and versatile home backup power system designed to keep your home running smoothly, even during outages. Imagine having a system that can deliver up to 6,000 watts of continuous power and is expandable up to 12,000 watts, making it capable of powering heavy-duty appliances like HVAC systems, refrigerators, and washing machines. With a battery capacity of 3,840 watt-hours, which can be expanded up to 53.8 kilowatt-hours with additional batteries, it ensures you have ample power for extended periods. The Solix F3800 supports 120 volts, 240 volt dual voltage, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. One of its standout features is the 2,400 watt solar input, allowing you to charge the system from 0 to 80% in just 1.5 hours using sunlight. It also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to monitor and manage your energy usage through the Anker app. Aeolus Robotics is revolutionizing the world of service robots with its advanced humanoid robot, AO. Imagine a robot that can assist with a variety of tasks, from delivering items and disinfecting surfaces to operating elevators and opening doors. The AO robot is equipped with two versatile arms, one for performing tasks like delivery and disinfection, and the other for interacting with its environment, such as pressing elevator buttons. It uses AI and advanced sensing technology to adapt to its surroundings and ensure safety and productivity. Designed to improve over time, AO learns from its interactions, increasing its accuracy and efficiency.